Hi, and welcome back to our sprinter build series. In the last video we put some hardware on the overhead cabinets, we attached the doors and put the latching mechanisms on. So today I'm going to show you how I finished out those cabinets. Put some polyurethane on the doors, and then I put end caps on both ends of the cabinet. I got a lot of questions about how I plan to finish out the cabinetry, so let's go take a look. Now our overheads have a nice coat of polyurethane. Actually, I used 3 coats, sanding in between coats. So it gave it a nice finish. And then as far as finishing out the ends of the 80/20, I bolted these end caps on. So let's talk about how I did that. I started with cardboard, and you want to start large so that it's bigger than the framing that you're going to put it over. And then I basically hacked this corner off diagonally to get it a little bit closer, and I did that maybe 2 or 3 times. And then I used a scribe tool, just an inexpensive one that I bought on Amazon, and you lay the scribe tool up against the headliner and it follows the contour, and then it draws a line on your cardboard. So then at that point, you just cut the cardboard to size, and I think I did 2 runs of that, and then you get your fitment there. And then you just basically trace that onto wood and cut it out. Now, as for the framing here, you'll see that this tube ends right here. So 80/20 is designed to be tapped with a 5/16 18 thread tap, so that way you can just screw this in. So that's how we did the end caps. And then I also made a little box for some of my electronics. I've got a little fuse distribution block here. There'll be 12 volt and USB power, just haven't put it in yet. The battery monitor for the lithium batteries. This is the inverter control, and then this is just to monitor the temperature in the refrigerator. Oh, one other thing that I'll point out is this is 1/4 inch, and I just made sure that when I cut the doors, that the doors were 1/4 inch larger than the framing. That way they butt up together nicely. Put it up, did a little bit of filing, but I basically took out sections where maybe you could see light through. So now we've got a tight fit all the way around. The center of these holes are 19 millimeters in and up. So I just measured 19 millimeters and marked. So now we'll drill those locations.